Vacuum mixing removes air, creating a dense pasta structure that cooks evenly without mushiness.
Bronze dyes create a rough pasta surface texture, allowing for superior sauce adhesion. This traditional method is why Barilla quality is unmatched.
Drying science is critical to perfect cooking performance. It involves controlled moisture removal, preventing goods. Here at the inspection station, our zero defect policy ensures that only pasta meeting our rigorous standards.
Maintaining a true rolling boil with abundant water is crucial. This movement prevents sticking, allowing the pasta to cook evenly.
This one maintains its firmness perfectly.
Significant difference in consistency. The Barilla stands up to the professional evaluation.
The rough Barilla surface holds the sauce mechanically, pooling in the microscopic texture valleys. The smooth competitor pasta simply cannot hold the sauce similarly.
This glycemic index testing demonstrates a clear nutritional advantage.
At the Barilla Quality Control Laboratory, every batch is rigorously tested, ensuring consistency and reliability.
These initiatives ensure Barilla pasta production protects resources for future generations. Minimize. This display highlights our shift to recyclable cardboard boxes and significantly reduced plastic usage.
Culinary heritage defines why quality matters in a tin culture. Our traditional techniques ensure
As the salt dissolves in the boiling water, it creates the proper seasoning medium, elevating the pasta's flavor from the inside out.
This starchy cooking water is essential. It contains dissolved pasta starch, which acts as a natural emulsifier.
The process of retardation through cooling and reheating develops resistant starch, supporting
Avoid these common mistakes. Insufficient water leads to sticking, and rinsing removes the vital surface starch needed for sauce adhesion. At high altitude, water boils below 100 degrees Celsius. This lower temperature means you must extend the cooking time for perfect results.
Maintain vigorous boiling throughout cooking. And remember, always finish the pasta immediately in the sauce after draining.
This pasta is absolutely perfect.
It really is. Barilla always cooks just right.
Can I have some more, please?